Students across our country pulled together to raise attention to post-secondary education fees today. College and university students held rallies to put pressure on governments to lower the costs of higher education.
It wasn't the turnout officials were hoping for, but that didn't prevent officials from going ahead with this student rally at the College of New Caledonia. The Students' Union is calling on government to ease the burden on those seeking an education.
There's a crisis in our education system across the country. Colleges and universities all over are showing dropping enrollment, mainly due to higher tuition fees, and there's a funding crisis. Colleges and universities need more funding just to keep this place open, to keep the lights on.
And the message was similar across the country. Students rallying to call on governments to cut tuition fees and encourage more people to consider post-secondary education by making it more affordable.
Public debt through the loans programs. We're talking credit card debt. We're talking the Bank of M&D, mom and dad, of course. And it's really a problem that hits students and their families from all different directions.
And while provincial governments are responsible for post-secondary education, students are calling on the federal government to work with the provinces to cut costs.
It's time for the provincial and federal governments to get together, get the job done, and make education more accessible and better for all Canadians.
In BC, students are calling on the government to reduce tuition fees by 10%, increase post-secondary funding, and eliminate fees for adult basic education.